All right, the CPU is coming out, but I think there's one like right there has been bent. Oh my God. So now I have to somehow unbend this. This thing is so stressful, guys. Hey guys, it's finally the time. RTX 5090. Going to pick it up to replace my RTX 3090. And this is a commitment I have to you guys. Get the best gear, and there's no excuse to not make the best content. All right guys, are you ready? Let's go. Are you all right? Are you working too?
I'm also working.
Now you know where you take your kids to. Computer store. All right, here we go. All right, guys. Now, finally, the dream has come true. 5090 come home, and I managed to get some free screws for my fan in the shops. The guys are really nice, give me all this for free, but consider I paid $6 for the card. All right, so now it's time to do the fan first, and then I'll take the graphic card out, and then we'll do the unboxing. All right, so I bought this computer secondhand on Facebook Marketplace, but I've never actually fully taken it apart before. I've took out the graphic card a few times, but look at the radiator. It looks like it mounts from the other side. So let's come to the front. All right, now let's continue taking out all the screws. Whoa, look how dirty this is, guys. Oh my God, that's 6 years of dust. All right, so now the radiator is out. And all right, guys, emergency. So when I take out the all-in-one, somehow the CPU is coming out with it. So I'm like panicked. I have to go Google. What do I do? All right. Probably should not let this CPU dangling, but look how pretty the thing is. Absolutely beautiful. All right, now I have to release a cable from behind. Let's go. All right, now the radiator and the cable is out of my motherboard, and then somehow the CPU gets stuck on here. So I need to find a way to remove it, because I got a fan, so I need to put a fan on top of that. All right, the CPU is coming out, but I think there's one like right there has been bent. Oh my God. So now I have to somehow unbend this. This thing is so stressful, guys. All right, guys, I have some serious needle work. I think I'm able to bend it back, even though you can see still a little bit not straight, but I think it looks much better than before. Damn, this thing is so stressful, guys. So use a brush off all the remaining paste, and look, there is a golden arrow here, and when you come to here, there's another golden arrow there. So we need to line them up and put a CPU in and lock it in. All right, now is the most exciting part. Let's unboxing. Brand new, always deserve it. All right, now we're putting the box aside. Wow, that's huge. That's massive, guys. Let's open up. Ooh, gigabyte warranty commitment. What is this? Oh, warranty card. Oh, that looks nice. That look like some kind of stickers. That's cool. And what? There's a fan on top of this? What's this? Let's put this aside. And boom. Wow. Look at this, guys. Oh, look at this logo. Can you guys see that logo here? Oh, that's this stuff. So we can look at this later. Otherwise, you guys are gonna get bored pretty quickly. Oh, so this is a fan. So we've got a fan here. All right. Okay, what's this? And what's this thing? It's just a badge, right? I think it's a sticker. And that's, now we're getting to the good stuff. Holy shoot! This thing is massive. Oh my God. This is massive, man. Can I get it out? Oh. Well, at least I should unboxing. Look at this, guys. This thing is massive. I'm really concerned now. Is it gonna fit in my computer? For comparison, this is my RTX 3090, and compare the difference. Damn, that's like a father and son. And this is already a huge card. All right, so let's have a look at the instruction and see how we go. All right, guys, I'm strongly underestimated the size of this card. Oh my God. It literally, I got one finger and then I have to take out everything to be able to fit it into the corner there because this part. So otherwise I wouldn't able to get this card in from this angle. This is way too long. I got one finger here. All right, so unfortunately I have to put this graphic card in first, and then I have to put the fan and everything on later on. So finger crossed everything will fit. All right, now it's time for the fan. Damn, this thing is so confusing. All right, so it looks pretty cheap. All right, $50. Can you do the job? All right, so seems like I need to install 2 brackets in here. Brackets, and then putting some paste, and then screw in the radiator, and then putting the fans in. All right, that shouldn't be too hard. Oh my God, this takes so long to get the fan installed, and hopefully that's right. So the air comes through this way, comes travel that, and got blown out here and coming out right over there. So hopefully that will be fine. And now it's time to do cable management. This clip was like really tricky. Right, you have to clip right over there, like that, say, like so, like this. All right, if you happen to have the same one, now you know how to clip it in. The final cable plug in on the graphic cards, and the bottom cable plugged in for the fan, and fan plugged in onto the CPU. And my cable management is absolutely trash, but I don't care. I'm gonna seal it up, I'm gonna light it up, see if this works. Wow, look at her go, guys. I have to install another fan on top of my GPU and have to change the fan duration. Obviously the other way I think is a bit loud, so I change it back this way. But now the build has finally complete, and check it out, 31.5 gigabytes of GPU memory. Oh my God, I'm so excited. And now it's time to install the Sage Attention 2. So now the computer is boot up, and let's do some live test. This is ZImage Turbo, the most basic image generators in local AI. And I'm going to generate 6 images together, and the resolution is 1024 x 1024 standard, and see how quick it is. Let's hit run. So total is 8 steps. 8 steps, okay? All right, let's go. So now the model is loaded. Well, it looks pretty fast. All right, now it's decoding. Done. How long? Let's have a look. So in total, 6 images take 24 seconds, guys. Crazy. And amazing quality as well. It's a 1024 x 1024. We can zoom in a lot more to have a look. I think we can do better than that. Let's try again, because the first time they have to load a model into the VRAM, and now it's already loaded in. And let's try again. We just did another run. 6 images in total takes 17.55. That is how fast this is. So 3 seconds per image. It's absolutely nuts. I think for RTX 3090, it will take about 15 seconds, give or take, for one of these images. So the whole batches would take over a minute. And now we're down to 17 seconds. So you may think, why I'm not looks very excited, because I already pressure test this card for 2 days before I make this video. Yesterday, I already generated 1,500 images with a Korea 2, and it is mind-blowing, and that will be next video. Let's test out an LTX 2.3. I'm just going to use a standard 1080p at 10 seconds, and with image to video, and let's just hit generate, and now we'll wait. So take 2 minutes and 2 seconds to generate this video, and let's have a look at the result.
RTX 5090 is so fast. I've generated 1,500 images today, and my fingers are actually sore.
Well, I think that looks pretty good. And a video like this on my old RTX 3090 would take around 6 to 7 minutes to generate. Alright guys, in the end of this video, I want to say a huge thank you for everyone has been supporting me and this channel. When I quit my 10-year job last year, I wouldn't dream about having almost 14,000 subscribers. And YouTube content creating for me, it's not longer just a hobby, it is my life. Buying this RTX 5090 is my commitment to you guys and to this channel. I have the best gear, so what is the excuse I have to not make the best content and give out the best value to you guys? And for those of you that's been supporting me all along, a massive thank you, and this channel wouldn't exist without you. My name is Reno, and I will see you guys in the next video.